Introducing the Noise Color Fit Pulse SpO2 Smartwatch. It is available in variant colors like jet black and mist grey. It has an HD full touch display. It comes with sharp colors and gives perfect viewing clarity. The screen size is 1.4 inches with a resolution of 240 into 240 pixels. It has screen brightness control. It's packed with a lithium polymer battery with a lifetime of 10 days. It runs on Android and iOS operating systems. It helps to track the blood oxygen level, SpO2, steps and calories. It monitors heart rate, stress and sleep. It updates the weather forecast and supports 8 sports modes. It updates the calls and message notifications. The smartwatch comes with customizable cloud-based watch faces. It's a waterproof device and comes with remote music control. It comes with swappable silicone straps. It has smartwatch, magnetic charger, user manual and warranty card inside the box.